should I do? What if I have to tell mom that I'm copying the answers of Kathy? Okay.
You go.
Good afternoon, ma. Excuse me.
Yes, what's your problem?
I have something to tell you.
What's that?
Kita mo na yan.
Honestly, I'm copying the answers of Kathy. That's why I'm fast.
Oh.
And I'm very, very sorry. And mom, can you please give Kathy a second chance because she failed?
How could it?
Go.
So, mom, what's your decision?
What? How could you do that to your best friend?
I'm sorry, mom, but please give Kathy a second chance.
I have my decision. I'll give the second chance to Kathy. Then, that's your problem.
Thank you, mom. Calling the attention of Miss Kathy Bisin, please proceed to the office of Miss Alberca right now.
You go.
Yes, ma'am.
Estudyante ho.
I have something to tell you.
And what is it, ma'am?
You passed.
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Feeling close.
Go. Dugayan nyo.
Yummy.
Yes,
I
Kathy.
realized that I must give you a second chance because best friend is best friend forever.
What?
Yes, you're forgiven.
Thank you, Kathy. You're my best friend.
Okay,
Go.
ready?
For what?
For we have to study because the third critical test is approaching.
Yes, I'm ready. Let's go.
Let's go!